Okay, let's do this. I got some nuts, mixed nuts, and soup. Pretty cozy, you know what I'm saying? Uh, so, I did some work off camera. As you can see, my guy has a sword now. Look, I understand that it took a bit long for me to add a sword model. But it's not just adding a sword model to the player model, right? It's just there's a little more to it than that. And also interactable object has this like dot now, so hopefully it's easier to tell what you can do. Also, yeah, the stupid deer has an attack animation now. Yeah. You can kill this thing, but right now it doesn't have a death animation. It doesn't really go away. It just kind of stops attacking and just kind of stands there like an idiot. But we will fix that. It's just a placeholder model right now, but we will add like a placeholder damage animation, walk animation, death animation, and all that. So yeah, let's do that right now. Idle, walk, death, and hit. All I gotta do is just put the name. Idle, walk, hit, death. It's pretty easy. I have this all set up so I can do shit very easy. All these settings here. It's for like attacking. This is the attack animation. This thing that you already saw. Idle is just this. I don't really gotta do anything else. Walk is I'm thinking I'm just gonna make it just kind of rock back and forth. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, rotation. Grab that. Oops. And the middle insert key. God damn it. And then just turn that into a positive. Yep, that's walk animation. It's perfect. Also, I probably should check if Twitch is streaming properly. Alright, it is. Good. Yep. And hit animation is also, I'm just gonna rotate the thing. Start out with like, yeah, that'll be. Then the middle. Set it to 0. And out. Yep, that's it animation. I know it's like really lazy and scuffed, but you know, it's just listen, it doesn't really matter. This whole thing is just a placeholder anyways, as I've been saying this whole time. It's not even that big of a deal. Start key. Rotate 90 degrees. keyframe. Out. Yes, Minecraft death animation. I think that's it. That's literally all I gotta do. I don't have to like code it in. Yeah. Oh. No, it just kind of stopped attacking for some reason. That's strange. That's not supposed to happen. Does it at least walk? Can you walk? Oh, it's walking. Oh, it's walking. Oh. It's the baby's first steps. Time to kill it. Die. Light in the ass. Alright. Why did it stop attacking? That's not supposed to happen at all. Hold on, let me take a sip of my soup. Very delicious, very delicious. I realized I haven't been eating any nuts, so I'm gonna do that. Now this computer's been keeping up with dual streaming pretty well. Like a lot better than I thought it would. Considering how awful. No, my pin. My pin. Oh. Yeah. I got my peanut. It fell under the computer. Now apparently it's really like healthy to eat nuts every day. The article I read said small handful. Apparently if you eat any more than that, then the health benefits just kind of disappear and just becomes too much calorie. Also, apparently you're not supposed to eat salted or sweetened nuts because that just makes you get too much sodium, which is apparently not good. But I already have the salted one, so I mean it's better than nothing, right? I mean, it's not even that heavily salted or anything. It's pretty light. Very delicious. What was I doing? Oh yeah, right, the deer stops attacking after it gets attacked. Like that one kangaroo grip. Do you guys know that one? Well, kangaroo just kind of squares up, and then the guy in the video just kind of slap him, and the kangaroo just kind of stares at the guy in disbelief. I love that grip, bro. It's too funny. I didn't know animals could react to stuff like that. Alright, so there's way too much stuff here. Let me get rid of some of these. Chaser AI. No, the entity. I did put in the hit animation. Yeah, I did. Otherwise, it won't play. What am I talking about? And then damage. Change animation. Animation hit. Strange. Anime name. Oh, let me do this. And then You guys probably don't know what you're looking at. Ooh, what the fuck? What, really? That small change does all that? Seriously? There's no way. What's the difference? Oh, that's massively different. What am I talking about? These two are connected. Damn it. Whatever, that works. Yeah, I thought that would happen. If player, well, self is player not what the just place idle. When does it play the attack animation? What? Anime name now equal to idle. Turned on caps lock. How did I turn on caps lock? I didn't even do anything. Whatever. Walk. Attack. 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 Hit. What? That's so strange. Standard combat AI handles the attack animation. Is active. Target object exists. Attack state is inactive because it got interrupted by the hit animation, right? You know, this mic is kind of in the way of my keyboard. How about I put it like this? Yeah, that's better. Animation. Okay, that's done. Animation changed. I'll just pass it for now. Fine, ready, super. Probably need to do that. And then animation player. Animation changed. Connect the animation changed. Alright. What does that signal look like? Old name, new name. Wait, what's the difference between current animation changed and animation changed? Huh. So not animation changed. I have to use current animation changed. Okay. So let me finish this shit. You know, store-bought like instant soup is like really good. So anything store-bought shouldn't be this good, but it is pretty good. You know what I'm saying? It's strange. It's hard to accept some fact like that. Maybe it's just me. So when does this play? What is Q? Q some animation for playback once the current animation and all previous Q animations are done. the fuck is using that? When is that useful? That's such a strange feature. It's just so specific. Am I wrong for thinking that? Do people use this? Maybe they do, I don't know. Anyways, animation. No, current animation change. I'm very good at typing. I'm very fast at typing. Did you notice that? And then, right there is peanuts all over my teeth. Name, string name. If anime name is attack anime. I just realized I have to keep track of the old animation so that meaning is like after it changes, right? Yeah, when changes, that's real helpful, Godo. That's real helpful. No, whatever. Yeah, I need to know when the animation changes out of attack animation. So previous anime string name. This is it. Yeah, that's all I gotta do. Okay. Perfecto. What I need to do? Alright, I need to inactivate. Inactivate. Deactivate. Set attack state to inactive. That's what I need to do. Okay, hopefully that works. I might not. It probably doesn't. Oh, it does work. Nice. Man, this thing doesn't die. Holy. God. It's working now. I'm a genius. Man, it's so much peanuts. This like mixed nut is like 60-70% peanuts. It's all peanuts. So much for mixed nuts. The deer needs to shoot like a long range beam. Don't ask me why. It's just that's just what it does. Okay, I don't want to hear. Yeah, right. I need to make the general projectile. Yeah, I'll just inherit this. Let's save that in. Should I save this in projectiles? I feel like I should. It makes more sense. You know, it doesn't make sense, but it does. It is easier to do it that way when I try to convert this game into multiplayer because I do want to do that. You know. You know, I've been keeping. I've been keeping. That's not how. What am I saying? I've been saying that these nuts are very delicious, but I don't actually think nuts are that good. But man, I cannot stop eating them. It's like peanuts. Nuts are just like mediocre in general, I think. Maybe it's just me. Oh, hello. Controlled. Tenet. Woo. Vibe. What is this? AI viewers streamboo.com. That looks like a scam. What is this dude anyway? So not that recent. Should I delete this message? Looks like an ad. Oh. You're not even watching it, so it's probably just an ad. I'm gonna delete that. Oh yeah, right. Should I save the projectile in projectiles folder or deer folder? Because I'm not gonna use this projectile on anything other than deer. But then again, it is quite useful to have all projectile in one folder. For like, if I try to explain this, it just becomes really technical. It's not like I can like add tags to resources, so that's not gonna work. I wish I could though, you know. Nobody here knows what that means. Just more organized if I saved it in the deer folder. You know what? Whatever, I'll just save it in deer. Deer slash. No, I just realized I don't have a model for the slash. Okay, I'll have to make one. Blender, help me. Okay. Mirror. And now if I move, what is this? Move this, yeah, it should work. Delete the face. Make this like really thin. Oh, oops. Yep, perfect. This is exactly what I need, bro. Save. Oh, this is a Neon folder. I forgot I was working on Neon for a while. You know, multiplayer games are really difficult to make. Did you know that? I feel like it's pretty obvious, but man, it is so difficult. This dear slash save, then export wavefront dear slash. All right, give it to me. Oh yeah, it's like importing the Blender file, so it's gonna take a ton of time. Oh, never mind, it's already over. Nice. Alright. This slash. It is. What the hell? Why is it pointing upwards? Am I stupid? Why? No, wait, forward axis. Up axis. Hmm? Oh, it's rotated. Silly me. It's still backwards though. Straight. Oh yeah, it is backwards. Whoops. Silly me. Come on. Boom! Alright. Time to eat some celebratory peanuts. Why is there so much goddamn peanuts? I'm starting to get sick of peanuts, man. I'm still gonna eat it though. Alright. Should I scale this into half? How big is it? The slash. Oh, that is ginormous. That is massive. Oh my god. Alright, I need to scale this down like half. How about that? That is still ginormous. Quarter? Yeah, quarter of the size. That's perfect. Alright, I need to make this wider. Very cute, Brian. Box shape. Set the height to 2. Width 7.5. 2. Yeah. Maybe just a little forward. Yeah, perfect. Distance should be. I'm gonna more likely get the duration. Or should I? Might be easier to speed. Also, everything I wrote in here, it's all written by me. I'm not using like a free model or like an AI to write this code. I'm just that guy. I'm just that good at it. Okay. I'm horrendous at modeling, so I do have like a lot of these free 3D models. But yeah, these are all placeholders too. I'm gonna replace them with my own shitty models. Okay, it's gonna be magnificent. Let me tell you. Right, distance I want 10. And 1 second. Is that good? I have no idea. And let me show you how this thing attacks. Not hit, attack. This right here. All I gotta do is switch that out. Okay, it's so easy. I'm a master at this shit. Okay. Oh, what? Where does all this come from? What? Excuse me? What is this? What even is this? Huh? Not past global cross entity. What do you mean? Oh. Silly me. Anyway, as I was saying, I'm a master at this. Oh wow, that is fast. Okay. Should I keep it at that speed? That is insane. Oh my god. Why does this bitch attack 3 times in a... Why? What are you doing? What? You just killed it! What? What the hell? What the fuck? What is going on? I am going insane. Okay. So far normal. And then he just attacks twice. Why? Oh, I think I know what's going on. Ow! Okay. So what's happening is that why is that happening? I know. Oh, what? This is very strange. I've never. I don't know. This is very strange. This is very, very strange. Nation changed. Surely not. Anime name. Attack. Idle attack. Hit attack. Okay. What is this like weird blank area? I guess it's just attack animation finishing. Well, in that case, I don't have to do this. Right? Yeah. I don't think that's gonna fix the issue though. Attack, idle attack, hit attack, hit attack. Okay, yeah, whenever the hit and attack happens, it does the weird multiple attack thingy. You see? Strange. Very, very strange. We just idle attack, hit attack. Is oh yeah, idle. Oh no, the hit is overriding the attack animation. That's what's happening. In that case, in that case, what do I do? Yeah, I don't really. Yeah, I guess just change the priority so that that doesn't happen. The only thing I could do, honestly. The death animations priority to 3. Looks like it's working. Oh yeah, I didn't show it yesterday, but like you can like damage trees and stuff. Yeah, see? Ow. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Like, take down trees. Or trees, as they say. That's an inside joke, by the way. Right, okay, man, it is cold in here. Air conditioners, bro, they're either always too cold or too hot. No in between. Alright, what else do I need to do? That's literally just it done. And that was easy, wasn't it? So, because of me. Because of my masterful crafting. I just realized that I have nothing for like shooting multiple projectiles at once. I can make this work. I'm the goat, you know what I'm saying? I'm just that guy. Idle. They need to make like a new animation shortcut. Walk. Attack with a capital A. I really like Pascal case. I don't know about you. Attack, hit, and death. I'm gonna do the Minecraft death animation again because I'm just that lazy. I am still the GOAT though. Don't even doubt me. No, not that one. That one. Perfect. I should out. Yeah. Hit. What if I make like the hair animation like a little jump? Not that it matters, cause again this is just a placeholder. It doesn't even have like a bone. I can't even move the legs. Oh wow, that moves up a lot. Alright, whatever. And come back down. Should it be out or in? I have no idea. Let's just test it. Out, out. That is so slow, oh my god. No way, that's not what I want to do. No. Good enough. Idle is just that. Walk. Walk. What if I just rotate it? As if I have anything else I can do. Okay, rotation. relation. Yeah. I feel like it should be faster, just not creepy enough. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I don't really know what to do for like an attack. Well, I do know what I need to do for an attack. Yeah, I do. What am I talking about? Need to make like a spider web and spider web projectile. I wonder if K can have like a each .io assets. I hope there's like a spider web model in here somewhere. It didn't make like a Halloween pack. Yeah. There's spider web in here, please. No, they did not make a spider web model. Fuck. Guess I'm making my mind. Oh my god. Guess I'm making one myself. Don't worry though, I can make one. I'm the GOAT. As I've been saying this whole time. Because I know some of y'all don't trust me. Believe me on that. Wait, why do I need a blender for this? I can just draw a spider web and just shove it in the game. Yeah, just all placeholder anyways. You know what I'm saying? So... Right. Spiderweb projectile. Where's general projectile? I need to copy you. Okay, I'm just gonna grab that. Put it in base. Yes. Get rid of the projectiles folder. Don't need that anymore. You know what? Okay, hold on. I can inherit this scene. Duplicate. And then save this as the player or item sword slash. Yes. Just put that in there. And delete the model. Open. Huh. Okay. I'm glad I copied that. I'm smart. Just that guy. Oh, oops, I need to delete that. general projectile inherit. Spider web shot. Where's the spider folder? Spider. Yes, right here. And the model mesh instance 3. Capsule. Where's the rotation happening? What's that about? Okay. Yes. That's gonna be what it does. Attack. I need a projectile shooter. Projectile shooter. Oh, that's it. And I wanna make like a slamming attack. I need to reset the rotation. Okay, just 0.2. Code that. 0.5. Move it up a little. Record. Okay, and then yeah, I could do it. Yeah. Yeah, I think that's good. Okay, oops, reset. Let's actually make this guy go a little bit down. Sam. Maybe rotate him forward a bit. Yeah, and then reset. That looks awful. That is so bad. But okay, I can make this a little bit better actually. Out, I think. And then in out. That's still very bad. That still looks disgusting. But it's okay, it's a placeholder, alright? So I still need to do something. Need to move the position. Yeah. I'll move this guy up. Up? Yeah, 0.5 I think is best. Yeah, right at this moment. And then, hear me out. Okay. I need to discrete mode. Yeah. Why? I need to rotate 45? No, half that, because if I 45 then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. No, it is 45. 45. Oh, what? What? Okay. 90. 135. Just trust me on this, alright? It's gonna be peak. It's gonna be so good. It'll blow your brains out. 80. 275, I think. No, it's 225. Yes. Well, yeah, it is 225. And then 225, 230, 270. Yes. Okay. And then shoot a projectile each time, so it just shoots in 8 directions. It's gonna be a bit slow because of interpolation, but I think it will look fine. It will look fine. It's okay. I'm not worried about that. Projectile shooter. Insert key. Fire. And spider web shot. Okay, let's see. Let's see the guy in action. Spider. Move him over here. And play. Let's get it. Oh wow, that is very laggy. You good, bro? You okay? Why did bro stop walking? Did I mess this up? Why did he stop attacking? Oh, attack state. I didn't do anything with that. Whoopsie. Whoopsie daisy. What animation? What? Yeah, attack state. Need to be wind up. This need to be contact. The contact needs to be over here. Let me zoom out a little. And okay, I can move this back a little bit. To 2. Sharing. Yeah. Then the wind up. Oh no, the recovery goes here. Why is that the wind up? Okay, I messed that up. Wind up and then contact. This might not make sense, but it's okay. Ooh. Okay, let's shoot something, but also you needs to move a little bit further. Movement. One second. Could be a little slow, but it will do. Oh yeah, it works. Okay, so now why is this dude not moving? I need to figure that out. uh um hmm. It is going back to inactive, right? Name. Tag. And then it just doesn't go into any other form or animation. Or does it? Q what's that guy's name? Vsauce sound. Okay, yeah, he does play something. Oh, right. I need to set these up, of course. Okay, death. Oh yeah. Look at the guy scattering over here. Nope. And just killed himself. Okay. Well, it is working. Just needs the project doesn't really filter out the person who's shooting the projectile. It's just it is a problem. I've been avoiding fixing that because that's like really annoying. I don't know what to do. I guess just give the projectiles a team. I don't really have a team. And the self-hit thing. The fuck? Why is it not filtering it out then? That's strange. Am I not using this? Yeah, I am using this. Oh, right, because the projectile shooter doesn't set the projectile owner. Projectile dot shooter to get parent. Yes, that's what I need to do. Yeah. It's missing a shot. What did I miss? No way, not there. $315? Yes, I need to make one for 315. No, not there. Right here. 315. And then shoot another projectile there. Okay. Yeah. There we go. Okay, maybe 8 direction is a bit much. Ooh, strong enough to take down a whole tree. That's crazy. That's insane. You know, it probably shouldn't do damage though. The thing I have planned for this guy is to just like slow you down, like shoot cobwebs and place down cobwebs or spider webs around, so that if you touch it, just kind of get slowed down, so it becomes like really annoying and whatnot. So maybe like 8 directions will be a little too annoying. know what I'm saying? So, ooh, yeah, we start like 4. Delete. And make them a little closer. Yeah. So now, yeah, there's 4 directions. Perfect. Okay, now I need to like summon cobwebs and stuff, which is I don't want to do that on stream. That all sounds very annoying. Also, this cobweb projector is way too big. It is way too big. Cut the radius into like, I don't know, 2.5? Yeah. And then that to... Yeah. Yeah, that's better. Okay, and then the cobweb, yeah. I don't actually know how to do that. I don't have anything planned. General projectile. Okay, I could add like a feature that instantiate stuff. Yeah. Okay. That won't be too difficult, surely. Summon on end. Cutscene. Whenever I was like trying to figure out what to like, trying to design the monsters. Okay, I designed monsters that's better than just a spider and a deer. This is just a placeholder. Again, it's just a placeholder. Stop freaking out. I had some like idea about like what if I made monsters based on like the 7 deadly sins. So I looked up Pride, the sin Pride on Pinterest, and I just got a lot of half-naked men with pride flags. So that's great. I'm so glad that image is burned into my eye now. You know what I'm saying? I'm not too sure like who's looking at those pictures, because surely it's not for entertainment, because who's being entertained by like images of pride parades, and like it's not really useful either. because why? Who needs a historically accurate representation of Pride parades? Is that just me? Maybe it's just me. It's that shade item, I guess. No 3D, hopefully, and it's probably gonna be Node. If it is Node, if item is Node 3D, then I want to place it where the projectile is. The position is position, and then would what are I saying? Oh yeah, right. Would a cobweb be a projectile? Because it doesn't move, but it doesn't need to hit. So I think that I feel like that counts as a projectile. So then that means I need another projectile shooter in the spider web shot. This is getting very complicated. Hold on. Or I could just do this in there. It's really not that big of a deal. If item is projectile, okay, I don't need to do that. Yeah. Perfect. So I just need to make a spider cobweb projectile. Yes. This is all coming together now. Cobweb. Trap. Sphere. Okay. I need to draw a cobweb now. How big should it be? That big. No, not that one. This one. White and pretty thick. Oh, oops. Okay, whatever. Okay, that's way too big. Yeah. That's not how you draw a cobweb. This is how you draw a cobweb. Oh, this is so scuffed. Oh god. Yeah, I think that's good. That doesn't look like a cobweb at all, but it's okay. It's a placeholder. Stop freaking out. Contents. There's entity spider. Yeah, I wish I could like show the concept art I drew for all these monsters. Well, it's like I drew it on paper, and I don't really want to turn on my webcam, so you can't see it. My bad. Oh, web. And here comes my genius. My genius. Oh, that is massive. How big is it? Let me. Yeah. I'm so smart. You see how smart this is? If you think this is really just what Minecraft does, and then yeah, you're right. But also, fuck you. Cobweb truck. That is ginormous. Oh my god. Okay. Let's get it down a little. Is that better? That is better. It might be still too big. I think 3.5? Yeah, that could be good. .5? No. 0.1? No. 0.9? And a little small. But yeah, that works. Okay. Get rid of this. Cobweb trap. Don't move this at all. Duration, I think, should be like 10 seconds. Is that gonna cause some issues? Hopefully not. Because like I'm doing divisions with these numbers, and if I divide with 0, then that's gonna be a bit of an issue. Okay, cobweb shot done. Showing file system, cobweb trap, put it in there, and let's try it. Please work. I don't wanna deal with. It works! It works! It works! Okay. Doesn't save itself after 10 seconds? Alright, let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It does not delete itself after. Oh, there's like a ton of errors. Must not be an instance of collision object 3D. What is that? Not? Oh yeah, true. Shooter should be this thing's shooter. And then right, the timer. And then delete itself after 10 seconds, even though I set the duration to 10. Why is that? Zero. No, it shouldn't cause any issues. Trace. Still the progress. I don't understand. Is this not speed? Oh, Wait, speed times delta divided by duration. That is 0. So it makes 0 progress because there's no speed. Okay, so I just need to set the speed to 1. But if it does have speed, then it is all very difficult. It can't have speed. I do need duration. What if progress delta moves by just normal speed if the speed is set to 0? Yeah, I think that's the only way, honestly. When duration is more than 0, progress. What is it doing here? If duration is equal to or less than 0, then progress is 1. So it like immediately deletes itself. Okay, that makes sense. If speed is equal to 0, else progress delta is just delta. And that should be divided by duration. Yeah. Oh, what? What do you mean? What? When assignment probably should have the value of previously freed. Oh, if shooter, if is valid, instance valid to shooter. I should do it. Just make sure the guy isn't deleted beforehand. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes! It works! Alright. I now need to make like a slowing effect, which is extremely annoying and I don't want to deal with it at all. Hold on. I have like a list of things I can do instead. Never mind, not really. What do I do then? Items. I guess I could like add like wood materials. so I can harvest and stuff. That would be cool. Yeah. Yeah, I'll do that. How do I do that? How would I do that? That's the question. As I could make like a loot pool. Spawn bar loot pool. It's an array. Or is it? Should be a dictionary because I need a like chance of it dropping. So that I can like put in rarities. Yeah, it's a dictionary. Dictionary. Resource and resource and float. Yes. Ta-da. Okay. And when it dies, I need to pull from the loophole and drop things. But actually, should it be a dictionary? I'm not too sure anymore. Cause like I could turn that into like a resource that handles. Yeah, it makes more sense to do that. What am I doing? Array. Oops. Array. Resource. Yeah. And I have to define loot pools. Loot pools. Loot pool. Resource. Class name. Loot pool. Okay, so then I'm going to. This should be abstract, and then I need to make like an equal loop pool that just like every single one has a different rarity. Oh wait, it should be just one. So chance loot. Pool item. That's what it should be called. This is pretty boring for everyone, I'm guessing. Item. If I could like talk about some nonsense while I do programming, then I will be a lot more entertaining. But like, if I try to talk, then my hand just kind of stops because now my focus is on talking. instead of programming. I can only do like one or the other. I don't know how other streamers do it. Maybe they don't do it. You know. Chance loot. Loot item. Chance loot item. I'm starting to talk. Okay. Export var chance. I always type change. Always. My like muscle memory. I type change a lot more than chance. One is right. Range, yes. Min is 0. Max is 1. Step. Yeah, I think so. That makes sense to me. Yeah. And then export the wherever the loot is. It should be packed scene, I think. Yeah, packed scene. Bank. No. Abstract function. Get loot item. Packed scene. Okay. So this function just gets. I need to call this function from this thing, and then it just picks a loot. So I just gotta. Where is it? Chance loot item again. Function. Get loot item. Okay. If round f range 0 to 1, no, 1 is less or equal to chance, then return loot, otherwise return nothing. What am I doing? Why did I just try to type nothing as if that's an actual variable? Okay, now. Perfect. So now. Alright, Ooh, oh my god. And now, chance loot item. And then, I need to make like a wood. My head is starting to hurt. I've never worked on a game like I am right now. I've never been so locked in. Who knew like uninstalling all entertainment apps and like stop watching YouTube would help me focus, make games this much? Who knew? I sure didn't. I'm not gonna lose to some stupid headache though. I'm still gonna push on. I wanna finish this game. I wanna get something out by the end of I was about to say end of the month. But we're still in June. Oh, is it July? Right, 7th month is the 7th month is July. We are still in July, so end of the month is like tomorrow or today. Yeah, I'm not gonna finish this game at the end of this month. I want to finish this game by the end of next month, August. Yes. I just want to get something like something that I'm proud of out. I've been slacking off making games for so long now. Yeah, so I just wanted to lock in, make a game, like finish an actual game, not some like short game jam game, even though those are good. Although to be fair, like those game jam games honestly aren't fun at all. It's on me. I should be able to design games better, but I can't. I know I should do a better job at game design, and I'm trying really hard, but it's like it's difficult. Especially I've never really played like games that are that short, so I don't really have that much experience in how to make a good fun short game. So all the game jam games that I've made, quote unquote, is just being carried by its audio and visuals. So not great, not at all. But this game will be good. I swear to God, this game will be good. This game will be fantastic. Hopefully. Do I have like a item base? Not really. Okay. New scene. Item. It's not a simple item. I guess it's a simple item. Doesn't really have like an attack or anything, but yeah. Oops. I don't have any like log models, do I? What is this? Oh, thank you, Twitch. Okay. Which was the pack that I got? Oh no, give me a second, guys. Yes, that one, Force Nature pack. Do I have... Is there like a log model? No. Fuck. None of these are like logs. Surely there's a log in here somewhere, surely. Yes, there's log! Resource! Perfect! Oh my god. Dude, Cake It is just like the goat. What am I gonna do? What is any like starting out game developers gonna do without Cake It? Literally gift from the heavens. Oh, what the... Unpack that. Delete the zip. Resource bits. Oh my god. This is gonna take a while. I'm gonna go get a glass of water. Give me a second, guys. I have returned. I have returned with my big ass Spider-Man stainless steel cup. It's so big. I love this thing. I use it every day. The amount of liquid this thing can hold without me having to refill it, it's magnificent, dude. I'm telling you. Gift from the heavens, even. Actually, it's a gift from my sister. She got it when she went to Universal Studios. Universal Studios Japan. Apparently, if I say Universal Studios, that means the American one, not the one I'm closest to. Apparently, my friend told me that. Okay. Wood. And log? Wood log. Delete that folder. Okay. 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 Yeah, A. That is ginormous. Which makes sense because it's a log. Yeah. Would that be fine? I feel like that's gonna be like insanely big. That will go to item wood. Alright. Yeah, probably not use a scene. That doesn't make sense. Yeah, use an object. That makes more sense. Yeah. And put it in the center. Mesh. Creation shape. Not tri-mesh. Single convex. Okay. Bit of an issue actually. Oh, somebody watching on Itch? Oh my god. Wait, simulated idol. Sorry, who are you? I don't remember you. What do you mean I have returned? I don't have like I have like a phone open so I can see my YouTube chat. Nobody's talking on YouTube chat, but I want anything open for the Itch or the Twitch chat. I don't know how to look at both Twitch and YouTube chat on my phone. This is very annoying. Yeah, I don't really have a plan for the game. Right, so you're Nacho? You are... I love 4 goth girls. Yeah. That's the one. Right? No? It is? Okay. Alright. Fantastic. Why we? Do you actually use it Twitch? Like that. Yeah, I know. Oh, I'm streaming on YouTube too. I can see the chat better if you do chat on YouTube. Also, I want to test if this like chat display thingy is working. This thing. Can you like at least like test my YouTube chat? I want to see if the chat actually pops up. I want this like, don't call me nerd. Don't call me nerd. How dare you call me nerd? Oh man, I'm waiting for you. I don't care about the delay, just do it now. Oh! Please show up, please show up, please show up. It's not showing up, I don't think. Wow. I don't know what to do about this. What did I use for the... I want stream elements. Yeah, that's the one. Okay, apparently it is working. Why is it not showing up? Is it like too small? Am I hiding it? Am I hiding it? Oh god, I'm hiding it, aren't I? My big ass head is hiding. There. Yeah, my big ass head is hiding. Okay, I didn't know the text would be that small. Okay, I could make this bigger. Text size. I don't know. Oh yeah, that's better. Yeah, I think that's the best. Okay, the text is just gone now. What the heck? Also, I thought the text would appear at the bottom, not top. Oh, it is? There's a difference? I didn't know that. Oh. If I increase the quality of the stream, my computer would explode, I think. I don't think my computer can handle all that. Because I am like sending it on 140 or like half of 180. So can I not show this text at the top instead of the bottom? That's just another thing I can do. Try it? Okay. Can I try it here? Do I have to like stop the stream? Or yeah, I do have to stop the stream. Alright, I'm gonna stop the stream, turn up the quality, and then come back, okay? Everybody, give me a second.